guys, welcome back to, what was that?
I don't know.
It was a killer chica. But, welcome back to another Meat Cat video, and today, we are doing Freddy's What the frick, Chica?
Tycoon.
I was just going to get my Tycoon. How come everyone always kills everybody?
I know, it's so mean.
Oh.
I'm gonna be a Tycoon. Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
By the way, dude.
What
We can't do this.
the frick? Okay, we found another game. We found a different server, and I hope that...
It's the exact same server we were 5 minutes ago, so... I know Freddy. No, I'll be Chica, because she's a killer.
Yeah.
I'll be a girl. So we both like Five Nights at Freddy's, so we decided to do this video, because I'm playing on my iPad. And
We're only 58 seconds into the video, and I had $300.
Yeah, we have the part of the webcam.
We don't have a webcam because we use like literal PCs, not laptops.
No, not a webcam, whatever. You know, screen record. Every single
Hey
time
Jacob, I'm coming over to your Tycoon. I'll leave a link down below to Jacob's account and my account so that you can friend request us.
Yeah, I'll
And if you don't want to friend request us, then we'll friend request you.
But by the way, if you want us to play Fortnite, we can.
I don't have Fortnite on this computer.
Yeah, we can't play Fortnite, or any other game.
Well, we can play Fortnite, but I would have to get on my Xbox, but I don't have an Xbox screen recorder, so...
And also, it's not even on 360.
Oh, that's all I have. Oh, I'm getting a PS4 this year. Okay, let's get our money.
By the way, we could play Minecraft, but...
Yeah. Oh, we can because I have a screen recorder on my iPad. But we can't do it right now because we're making this video.
Yeah. If you guys want us to do Minecraft, just ask. Drake's only able for Wednesdays, Tuesdays,
and Mondays. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays are when I make my video. Okay, so I've just gotten one more little dropper thing.
Yeah, same. Oh, dang it. Wow. I wonder how this video is.
Jacob, look over your left quarter, right shoulder.
Stop. Dancing.
Joshy, get on.
Okay,
Okay, I can get the puppet enchanter. Okay, I got the puppet enchanter.
excuse me.
If you hear music in the background, that's just my mom.
Yeah, that's good background music, though, you know.
Yeah, and it started as soon as I got the one thing that everyone loves, so it was like celebration music. If you can't hear it, then you have an ear problem, because it's really loud.
Yeah, we can hear it. We're in a whole different room when we can hear it.
Oh, the room's right next to us, so that would explain it.
Probably, but...
Okay, so I can buy the wolves.
This is kind of boring watching this, so I'm just gonna do some dance moves. I'm going over to Drake's house.
Yeah, he's at my house.
Drake's thing.
Oh.
Hey, Drake. Hey. Hey, Drake's house.
Hi. Oh, I can buy the owner-only door, which is significant.
1, 2, 3. No.
It's John Doe!
John Doe, run. Come back. Please, love me. Stop it.
John Doe was standing on my thing to try to collect all my money.
Yeah, but it doesn't work because he notices it's not his money.
Boom! Get out, John Doe! I'll let you out for 1 second. Get out! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're trapped in. Now go me. What the? No. No. Get out. Get out.
Kill yourself. Would you rather kill yourself or kill yourself?
Here, I'm gonna open the door for him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He got out!
Okay, guys, we're gonna pause the video for a second
and we'll be back whenever I've finished my wool. Okay, so I got enough money for my thing.
Yeah, I've got the carpet.
We've been doing this for like an hour and this is all get.
Yeah, no. Like 20, 30 minutes. That's all.
No, I think less, actually.
Yeah, but you over-exaggerated.
Yeah, I definitely over-exaggerated.
Guys, I'm doing the epicest parkour skills. I'm parkour master.
Inu. Oh, God.
No, let me get out.
By stairs. How are stairs $10,000?
I can't get out. No.
After walk through my window. And throughout this channel, we're going to do a lot of FNAF Tycoon, so expect FNAF.
And Amusement Park Tycoon.
Well,
Not yet.
Jacob, we're going to be doing a little roleplay whenever we finish building it. We're going to do a roleplay in it. Like, we're going to do a roleplay series where, like, one guy's the robber and one guy is... Well, I don't want to spoil it for you guys, so I'm just going to pause the video.
Guys.
Okay, I just had to talk to Jacob about the roleplay because I didn't want to spoil it for you guys.
Yeah, you shouldn't even spoil that it's a roleplay.
What?
Dun, 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 dun. Pooperman's here to save the day.
Professor Poopy Pants.
No! I wasted all my money on the chair.
You are loud.
I know. I am loud.
I'm a doggy.
Whip a camel!
No, you have to scream at my microphone.
Whip a camel!
Jeez.
Do you guys... If you guys can hear me, leave a like and subscribe.
No, I already told them to subscribe in the last video.
You should subscribe and...
I have $1,000. I'm gonna buy...
I have 1,961.
While I'm getting money, I'm gonna go over and see Jacob's Tycoon.
I'm not gonna let you win.
I'm gonna pause the video so it's not too long. Okay, so basically what we're doing is I got my $5,000. I have 6,000. I can use the lights, but
I already have the lights.
I can do tables.
Oh, guys, we kind of want to show you my base because it's almost the end of the video.
Yeah, no, we still have like 7 minutes. Oh, we actually have like 8 minutes.
Okay, we kind of want to hurry this up, Drake. Let's just show them my base.
Okay.
I'm almost the exact same as Drake.
Okay, so let's go over to his base. I'll teleport to his base. With the power of clicking in a random corner, I just teleported to Jacob's base.
Yeah, guys. Magic. Except we actually got it. Yay.
Jacob, why'd you tell them?
Because they already know. And I want to tell them. I also want to annoy them. That they might not have known the answer, but now I have the 6 droppers. So I'm pretty much as the same as Drake, except Chica. And also I'm buying stairs now.
Doof!
I bought the stairs.
I'm gonna teleport back to my place. In the power of more magic, we just clicked in a random... Stop! From the power of clicking in another random corner, we just teleported back to...
His base.
Yeah, my base.
By the way...
It was just Jacob's little sister thing, whatever. Little turd.
We didn't say anything about you.
Yeah.
Yeah!
I like finding the candies.
It's my sister too, you know.
I still have $10,000
By the way,
left.
if you hear someone whispering,
it's Joshy. It's his little brother, Joshy.
Do you think they'll be able to hear me at all?
I think so, yes. Oh, I can go upstairs now. I have this.
Hey, microphone! Can you hear me?
They would hear you anyway. By Freddy Moore, 7,000. Oh, I can become Freddy! Yay, I'm Freddy! Bam! I'm Freddy! Buy a conveyor belt. I'm gonna...
Chica Moore. I can buy the Chica Moore. I'm now Chica.
I'm gonna be back when I've done a bunch of stuff up here. So, by clicking in a random corner, which is a hack. Wait, the hack teleported me over here. Like, what the heck? Like, oh my god. Let's go up. It gave me extra cash. And let's go up and buy this last thing. Yeah, so, the Rainbow Sword Giver. I just wanted to see what it does. So, let's see what this baby does.
It's the thing that Chica was killing us with earlier. And if you guys think I'm Chica, why I am Chica. But
yeah, I'm trying to chop the tree down.
Yeah, right here.
Oh god.
Before this, but we died.
I think no, we didn't have to restart it. We just paused it and choose a different server.
Yeah, pretty much. But, so guys, we're gonna end the video.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you for watching. Like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't. All these people here are magnificent because they're in my YouTube video. I'll leave a link down below to my Roblox account and Jacob's Roblox account. I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you on the next video.